Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit crypto into RedotPay. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is open RedotPay and log into your account. Now make sure you're all verified inside of here, otherwise you're not going to be able to deposit money. I'm still halfway through verifying, but don't worry, I'm still going to go through with the tutorial. So now once you're verified and got your account, we want to go ahead and click on the deposit button. Then from there, you want to pick your coin. So this can be USDT, BTC, Ethereum, etc. And then we need to choose the right network. So the network can be either TRC20, ERC20, etc. Now from here, you want to copy your deposit address or scan the QR code. Now in your exchange or wallet, send the same coin on the same network and then paste this to RedotPay address. Confirm transfer, wait for the network confirmations, usually a few minutes, and check status on RedotPay wallet until marked completed. So basically you want to use the correct network plus coin, respect minimum deposits, and note any fees as well.